Hi, in this video, we are going to learn how to transfer drones from a Planet X account to another Planet X account. Okay, so let's get started. First, what you will need is a Planet X page open, and then have your OpenSea open and ready. Now, I want to do is I want to connect it to my MetaMask. So let's connect both of them to my MetaMask, right? So you just connect your Planet X MetaMask by clicking this, right? And then it should pop up over here at the side, and then you have to enter your password and then you sign it, right? To unlock your MetaMask and to connect it to your Planet IX. There you go. And then you do the same thing to your OpenSea. So let's have them both connected to our MetaMask so it's easier. So you just click on the MetaMask, like what I did. So now I did it. Both of them are connected to our MetaMask. Great. Let's go back to our Planet IX, right? And hold on. Let me just reload it right here. When stuff like this happens, sometimes it lags, you have to just reload it. So reload that over here. Let's wait. Let it load. Now let's go to our, so you will see this right now. Let's go to our mission control, right? Connect it to a MetaMask right here. And now sign. Let it load. Let it load. So I should see my 6 hexagons, right? Which are called tiles. And then I should also see my drones right here. See I have them right there. So I have 4 drones in this account. In this Planet X account, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to transfer them to another account. So before I do that, I want to collect my waste first because the drones here are collecting waste and they already have like waste collected. See the orange over there, that's the waste they have collected. So I want to collect it before I transfer it, or else it's gonna be a waste. I'm not gonna be able to collect it. So let's go to manager right here, manager, go to manager, right? And now what I want to do is claim the waste. See, I want to claim. Just click on claim, confirm. Now confirm. Now let it load. You have to let it load, right? So let that load. So as you guys can see, it's done loading. So before over here, it was 17 waste. Now it's 20 because I claimed 3 waste over here. So when your waste is claimed, it will show here and will also give like notify you in the side. So now let's collect the other ones. Let's collect this one. Claim. We claim and confirm. We're gonna collect 3 of the waste. So I'm just gonna collect them before I transfer it to the new wallet, right? So what I'm doing right now is I'm collecting my waste before I'm transfer it. But if you don't have any waste in your drones, then you can just like you can just transfer it but you gotta remove them first. But let me just claim these waste, and then I'll show you how to remove it, how to remove the drones before we transfer it to another account, because right now they're staked in the mission control, right? So let's remove the other tools, right? And the other one, this last one, right? So I claim all 4 of my drone space. See, now it's claimed. Good. So now we have 28 ways. Before it was 17. I claim for each of them, now it's 28. So now let's take those drones out of the mission control, because right now it's taken the mission control, right? So now that we've claimed the waste, now I want to take them out of the mission control. So let's go to build over here, build, right? Build, and then overview, yeah. And then in the overview section, it's gonna show like the pics you've staked in the mission control as well as the drones. So right now I have 4 drones staked in my mission control, so I want to remove them. So I can do that by just clicking this trash right there. See my drone right there. Confirm. Scroll down and confirm again. Let it load, loading. So there guys, this drone over here is finally successfully removed. So now let's remove the other trees. Sometimes if like your planet acts lags, you might have to reload it and then do it again, because it happens sometimes. So right now, let me just remove the other trees. Let's start with this one. There, confirm. And then you gotta confirm it in your MetaMask wallet. Okay. Now confirm. So there we go. See, once it's successfully removed, it should say there that it's good, that you've successfully done it. So let's close that. And now let's scroll down. Because you have 2 more drones, you have to remove, scroll down and look for those drones right here. So let's remove it. Confirm. And then we're gonna confirm in the MetaMask again. I'll scroll down. Now we're gonna confirm it, right? Now close it. Now go down and then press on this, confirm. Now click on this logo thing, MetaMask Fox thingy, because sometimes the MetaMask doesn't pop out, so you have to click on it, and then you have to sign it, because it doesn't come out sometimes by itself, so you gotta click on it. So go, now confirm it. Okay, so let's wait for it. So there we go, close it now. Now let's fix that. So there we go, we've successfully removed all of the 4 drones that we staked in mission controls. We unstaked them, right? So now we're ready to transfer them in our own, now we're ready to transfer them into another Client IX account. So to do that, we are going to be using OpenSea. So let's go to OpenSea right here. We have it open, right? And now what you want to do is look for your drones. So you can scroll down if you're at the OpenSea, and then if you go to your profile, like it looks like this, your profile, it'll have your username and then your profile pic and all of your assets at the bottom. Look for your drone, or not. If you couldn't find it there, try go to more, right? And then go to hidden. Go to more and go to hidden, because some of your assets are there, like your drones. Or if you want to make things easier, you can just search it up over here on the search bar right here. Search up drones. Okay, let's try to go back over here again and look for drones. Oh, there we go. I got it. Hold on. Let me just reload this, because we're supposed to have 4 drones. Oh, we do. So over here, I search up drones, right, in the profile. It shows us we have 1 Genesis drone, Client IX assets, and then we have 3 of Piercer drones, which is 4 drones in total. Over here, it says 3 times 3 right there. It says we have Piercer drones, 3 Piercer drones. So I want to transfer all of the 4 of my drones to another account. So let's transfer this one first, the Genesis drone. So let's click on more options, right? And then we're gonna click on transfer. Continue. Okay, and now I have to paste an address of the Client IX account which I want to send it to. So whatever Client IX account is at, whatever, if you have an OpenSea account or whatever, let's say OpenSea, okay. Whatever Client IX account you want to transfer to, and then it has an OpenSea account, that OpenSea account has a wallet address. What you want to do is copy that wallet address and then save it, and then that's where you're gonna send this drone to, because you want to send it there. So you're gonna paste that address over here. So I'm gonna get my address now. So this is just my way of getting my addresses. Hold on, it's not here. It's over here. Hold on, my address. So I finally found the OpenSea address of the account where I want to transfer it to. So I copied it, and now I'm going to paste it here on the address section. Right there. And then I'm going to click on transfer. And then now I'm going to have to approve it in my MetaMask. Pop out. Now confirm. Okay. Make sure you transfer it to the right address because you cannot undo it. So now let's go back to our profile, right? And then now I want to transfer the drones, this price of drones. So let's click on this. So I found my drone I want to transfer here. Here's your drone. Now click on more options, transfer, right? Continue. And then since we have 3 of these drones and I want to transfer 3 of them, so for here in the quantity, I'll put 3. So if there's 3, we want to transfer. And now for address, hold up, there's a lag. The address, now I'm going to paste the address where I want to transfer it to. Okay, transfer. Now let's go down and then now confirm it. Confirm. Good. So transfer complete, successful. Now let's go back to our profile. Let's just go back to our profile. And there you go. The drones are successfully transferred into that account. And that's it for this video. In this video, we learned how to transfer drones from your PlanetX account to another PlanetX account using OpenSea. So that is all. If you have any questions, comments, you guys can comment down below or contact us at our Facebook page that I will be posting down the link below.